Hello, dear learners. Very good day to all of you. In this session, we will get acquainted with pharmaceutical analysis subject syllabus of B.Pharm final year prescribed by Mumbai University. The pharmaceutical analysis is a branch of chemistry which involves the series of processes for the identification, determination, quantification, and purification. This is mainly used for the separation of the components from the mixture and for the determination of the structure of the compounds. Based upon the determination type, there are mainly two types of analytical methods, that is qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis involves the method specially used for the identification of the chemical compounds, and quantitative analysis, this is a method used for the determination, that is estimation of the amount of the sample. Various analytical capabilities can be carried out on the raw materials of the medicines before their processing. This gives security to the production process of the drugs and guarantees more quality formulations. New medicines are always in a development. This constant innovation requires the pharmaceutical industry to increase its attention to the quality, safety, and efficiency of its products. Another step in which pharmaceutical analysis is necessary and extremely important in all phases of developing a new drug, from conception to final testing and the introduction of the product in the market. As of now, whatever we have learned in pharmaceutical analysis in earlier semester, that was related to volumetric method of analysis, that is titration part, such as oxidation reduction, acid base, complexometric precipitation, and gravimetric method of titration, which are purely non-instrumental method of analysis. Later on, learn about spectroscopy, in which we have covered ultraviolet visible, infrared, atomic absorption, flame photometry, and fluorescence in detail, along with electrochemical and thermal method of analysis. All these analytical methods captured under instrumental method of analysis. In this semester, we will learn extension of instrumental method of analysis, that is chromatography, as a major part, along with some remaining spectroscopic techniques, that is mass and nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. So dear learners, let us have a look on a syllabus. You can observe total 11 units. These are multi-component analysis by UV spectroscopy. In previous semester, we have done about single component analysis. Now here, we will deal with multi-component analysis by UV spectroscopy. Concepts of chromatography. Then various techniques under chromatography, such as high performance liquid chromatography, gas chromatography, planar chromatography. In planar chromatography, there are three techniques, that is thin layer chromatography, paper chromatography, and high performance thin layer chromatography, that is HPTLC. Then our next chapter talk about ion exchange chromatography, ion pair, and size exclusion chromatography. Then nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, mass spectrometry, hyphenated techniques. In hyphenated techniques, generally combination of chromatographic technique and spectroscopic technique. Example, GCMS, gas chromatography and mass spectroscopy. LCMS, liquid chromatography and mass spectroscopy. That comes under hyphenated techniques. Then structure elucidation by spectral techniques using UV, IR, 1H NMR and mass spectrometry. By exploring all these analytical techniques, we can interpret the structure of a compound. And 11th chapter talk about analytical method validation. So what is the course objectives? On completion of this course, the learner should be able to apply the principles of spectroscopy for multi-component analysis and describe working principle, instrumentation and applications of chromatographic and characterization technique. Course outcomes: explain various methods used for multi-component analysis of drugs by UV spectroscopy. Summarize chromatographic and hyphenated techniques used for the separation, identification and quantification of analytes. Describe the working of proton 1H NMR spectroscopy and mass spectrometry. Interpret spectral data to predict structure of a given compound, and summarize the parameters of ICH guidelines for analytical method validation. Means syllabus revolves around spectroscopy and chromatography. As you know, spectroscopy, that is study of interaction of electromagnetic radiation with component or whatever substance we are analyzing. And chromatography, that is separation of multi-component mixture into individual components, and that individual components will further purify, quantify and analyze with the help of various chromatographic techniques. So, dear learners, these are the reference books available for our pharmaceutical analysis. You can refer any one book such as Cook, Principles of Instrumental Analysis, then Supriya Mahajan, Instrumental Method of Analysis of Popular Prakashan, then book by Villard, Beckett and Stanlake, Practical Pharmaceutical Chemistry, CBS Publishers and Distributors. Then book by author A.V. Kasture, A Textbook of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Then Gurudeep Chatwal, Instrumental Method of Chemical Analysis, Himalaya Publishing House. And along with that, we will refer Indian Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia and European Pharmacopoeia. So, wish you all the best for your upcoming semester. Thank you very much.